Alright, so it's been a little while since I've made some videos, and I feel like I have to make a video on Disney because just how well it's been doing in such a short amount of time. So, if you've been paying attention to Disney, it's been, below 100 for a while. And then over the past month, we have shot up from essentially, we'll say $95 range to 120. And over a month's time, if you invested, that is serious money for investing. Like that's a home run in my opinion. So Disney is just doing awesome. So if you watch my previous videos, you know I am heavily invested in Disney and I love Disney. Despite a lot of their decisions that they've been making lately, I think it hurts them in the long run, but overall, I think Disney, there's money to be made. Not massive amounts because of the decisions that they made, but overall, there's money to be made. And I think one day the CEO will be replaced and we'll kind of get back on track. I think after the Endgame movie with Marvel, they need to get their course and movies correct and build it up properly again because right now it's just kind of all over the place in my opinion. But overall, Disney sits at 121.57 with a market cap of 221.44 billion. So that's a pretty decent market cap. So to double your money, you essentially have to go to 440 billion ish. And let's just take a look at why Disney shot up over this month. So, they had their earnings report for the quarter, and essentially they earned $1.09 versus the 96 cents that was expected, which is awesome. It's above. And then they earned revenue, so 21.5 billion this quarter versus 20.96 billion that was expected. And then the Disney Plus total subscriptions is 152.1 million versus 147.76 million. So on all accounts, they just did amazing this quarter. This earnings report was amazing. And right now, Disney Plus. So if you watch my previous videos, you'll know that Disney Plus is at a loss right now. And they're going to be at a loss for a while. So right now, they're at 221 million subscribers for Disney Plus. That surpasses Netflix's 220 million. Now, the 221 isn't in comparison to Netflix because if I remember correctly, they bought Star India, I believe, and they're streaming in India and other places in the world, and they're honestly only earning, I think it's like $1 a month per subscriber. So it's not completely the same territory, but overall, that's still amazing. 221 million subscribers, that's insane. So I have always said, and this is why I got invested heavily in Disney, is because of the Disney Plus. So they earn an amazing amount of money with their parks. I mean, they this quarter they earned 7.4 billion with their parks, which is that's a lot of money, and it's gonna improve if we go into a recession. It could be hit, but overall, Disney has never really been hit, in my opinion, for a recession. People always want to go there, and people will pay the price. So with Disney in 2024, that's when they expect Disney Plus to be profitable. So you just kind of have to look long term and you have to wonder what will that price be at when it hits profit? Like no loss, they start making bank and is that market cap going to go to 400 billion? No one knows, but that's why I'm invested. I think it's going to we've been stuck in the $100 to $200 range. I think once we get to that profitable zone, it's going to be a $200 to $300 range consistently, hopefully. But I honestly hope somebody buys them out early, and then that will shoot the price up, which might force me to sell. But either way, I just want to make an update on how Disney has been doing. and why it shot up. And yeah, so do your own research, have some fun, make some money.
Video is not financial advice. Any statements made are my views and is for entertainment purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Do your own research before making any financial investments.